Dory, ganyan ko like the Dory. Penguin, pwede penguin. Hindi siya walang penguin. Nakita sa penguin, te. Except to the penguin. And going up and not going. Uy, pagbulos ka. Except to the, doon to the except ang penguin. Except. Here's the map. Carry them on. Somewhere right here, just be patient and let's look for it. We have all day to find it.
This is a person of small. That's your mommy.
You see the mark there? Let's go near the exit. Lagi, kanina si penguin. Dili lang penguin doon ko. Ask the person where's the penguin. Penguin po. Lagi na, mo na lang penguin, no?
There you go, the penguin. There. There you go, the penguin. You're looking for one. There you go, one. There.
Napakita dahil sa penguin. Good smile. Kung mo mag-iduhay ka, naiduha ka anak ka.
Kaya ako, okay.
There's a crocodile cage here. How else to do it? Actually, there was a penguin over there. There's a lot of mountains. No, we're not gonna get it. We gotta go. We gotta put it in the field. Anong penguin ka ron? Mautan na. Gusto ba na ka? Mautan na ta. An? Mautan penguin, oh.
Dalawang susunod yun.
Hi, come on. Where? There's the penguin, number 17. Can you see the jellyfish? Go back to jellyfish and spread. Right there.
Penguin pa ko yung ganahan.
That's the penguin. Go back here. Di ba na-mention na yung restaurant? You should go in. Dapat mo siya.
Wait, remember?
Dili ba? Dili ka sa basis eh. Nakakawin ka sa Pilipinas niya.
Okay, let's go to the penguin. Jelly restaurant, there's a jellyfish and a penguin.
Always put
And I took a picture of that.
Sharks.
Shark.
Pictures, family pictures.
Asan penguin niya?
Penguin ma'am, sa may Egypt siya ma'am.
Ito. Salamat. Ako kasi isda ko. Pag sila pagpalaki. Yan, dalikan. Kailan ko siya na. Lalo siya paputo. Ay, picture mo na. Picture mo pala na short ha. Bisa na yung picture ay sa mga kiyagi dito. Mas orang ako. Kung sana, penguin na lang siya. Would you not see the directions it's penguin?
Ano lang penguin?
Gary!
Sabi, ayaw niya pag-unan ka, mag-close ka.
Yari. Yari, ito Lord. Natanong pa. Ay, penguin.
What does this say?
Oo nga, penguin. Hi! Sabi siya, ito dito na ko ito. Ito daw nga ko.
Ano ito, penguin ang makita?